Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone OS because the steps differ on Android versus iOS. Once you know which system you have, open the Settings app or the browser app you use for search. Make sure you're signed into the Google account or relevant browser profile. This lets you change account-level safe search options. Don't waste time toggling random menus. Go straight to the Search, Google, or Privacy section in Settings to begin the removal process immediately. Now you locate Safe Search within the app or account settings. In the Google app, tap Settings, then General, and turn off Safe Search filter. In Chrome, open Settings, then Privacy, or enter Chrome//Settings and search for Safe Search. If Safe Search is enforced by your Google account, go to My Account. Google.com, select Data and Privacy, then search Settings to disable it. Make sure to save changes and sign out, then back in if the option remains checked. Finish by restarting the app and testing a search to confirm Safe Search is off. If your phone is managed by work, school, or family controls, check Parental Controls or your device admin app because those enforce filters. If Safe Search persists despite toggling, clear the browser cache and cookies, or remove and re-add the Google account to force a fresh sync. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect any parental control apps or mobile device management profiles, and disable or contact the administrator if they are enforcing Safe Search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.